Here we've got a starting point, so let's pop into the... Just leave this off for a second. I'm going to go to the ARP section. So let's have a listen. Okay, that sounds pretty cool in 1/32 because we're actually at 95 BPM. So let's pop this back in with the bass sound. So you can see that we've got, just okay that for a second, this pedal one is really nice, the zigzag one is really nice as well, so let's try different patterns here. Okay, so you can see you can start to mess about with the steps also. Really, really cool. So let's just put this back up to 16. I really like this one as well, so it's between pedal tone and zigzag down, so let's hear it with the bass again. I think I'm going to stick with this one. Yeah. I think that's going to be the one. So we've got this rhythm section which we're going to come to next now fairly shortly, just to create even more interest in this arpeggiated sound. But I just think we can grab another few types of sounds here. Let's go this direction here. Let's have a listen to this. Just swell. Let me just okay that and move to edit, switching off monophonic. Very nice indeed. Let's go in and have a listen to a few more. Very nice.